Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series, the Aircraft Maintenance Manual, at the chapter 09, Towing and Taxing. This is the subject, chapter 9. Please stop the video and read this information. Today, 20 April 2024. This is YouTube, Abbas Aviation, and this is another YouTube, Feed Spot, Abbas 8. My photo, 3 items I hope to comply if the material is useful for you. Towing and pushback. Towing and pushback. This procedure used without engine power. Engine off. Take care, engine off. The movement of an aircraft with engine off. Tow the airplane from nose or main landing gear. Nose when normal procedure, but main landing gear, this is abnormal. After accident, to may clear the runway of the airplane. Take care here. The nose tow fitting in the nose gear to connect the tow bar. The maximum normal towing turning limits, as we discussed before, are indicated by painted strips, maybe red, maybe black, on the nose gear doors. Take care here, before towing, install steering bypass pin to prevent the steering control and landing gear ground lock for safety. So these 2 pins here, take care. Before flight, you must remove them. Look here, this is here, the nose, the connection point here. This is the tow bar here, to connect here. Look here. This is the tow tractor, tow bar, tow fitting, shear bin. The shear bin is connection between the tow bar and the tow fitting. There is another one for tow tractor. It is without toolbar. These 2 videos, I think this is useful for you. I will put the links in the description box. Look here. Here some notes here. This is the lock bin. This is the dimension H, must be not higher or lower. Refer to your maintenance manual. There's some functions here. You must hit set, tow bar, shear bin, bypass installed. This is steering. Have been taken back from aircraft. Okay, this is cushions here before moving. Here, this is tow barless. Tow barless. No tow bar here. No towing bar. Just this vehicle, and raise or lift the nose and then make the towing. Tow the airplane with more than 1 flat tire. This is from the main gears here. take care from the precautions and procedure with the flat tire rear gear. Maybe remove one and put one serviceable before you complete this procedure using main gear. The eye-bolt here, towing main gear. The main gear has eye-bolt to attach the cables, not toolbar here, just cables between the eye-bolt and vehicle you use to tow the airplane. For the airplane with the two vehicles, take care with two together, not one. You must move with two vehicles. The taxing here. Please take care for taxing and towing. The personnel has approval for that. If not crew, operation crew, pilot or pilot, or maintenance personnel must have the approval for that. Here, taxing, movement of the aircraft on ground under its own power, meaning the engine powered, hydraulic system, electric, communications, light, okay? The taxi procedure must be done only by persons that are approved. You must take approval. The taxi bus must be clear of all persons and vehicles. Clear. You must get approval from the airport ground control, the tower, to taxi the airplane. Keep clearance from the buildings and other airplanes all the time. Complete. Operate the taxi lights, navigation lights, to make the locations of the aircraft to other airplanes or other persons. The radio to communicate with the tower. Okay. The hydraulic system must be pressurized to supply hydraulic pressure. Why? To use the brakes and the nose wheel steering. Taxi checklist, take care from checklist for the airline maintenance personnel, if necessary, to help the crew have safe taxi operation. Look here, this is the tower, and this is the external lights for the aircraft. You must follow your maintenance manual to make the procedures of towing and taxing. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much, and goodbye.